Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to increase quality in Filmora. So first of all guys, as always, make sure that you have opened your Wondershare Filmora program and then go ahead and log into your account, which will be pretty simple, pretty easy. And then go to your aspect ratio. This is pretty important because this aspect ratio will determine also the quality. So make sure that you have selected the correct aspect ratio. After that, click on new project. So now as you can see here, let's drag a file. So for me, I will drag, for example, this video and I will drag it over here. This is the first step. So make sure that when you drag your video or your clip or whatever it is, choose the highest quality one. So as you can see, there is the same resolution but different FPS. So I will choose the more FPS that I can get. Now, after that, if your clip wasn't selected, make sure that you have selected it and then go all the way down to auto enhance. From here guys, you will see that the quality is getting pretty much enhanced. So as you can see, it is pretty much better than it was at the beginning. Now, what I really highly suggest you to do is go here and make this as full quality and then go to file, preferences, and from here go and make everything that has any related with your quality high. And of course, make sure to use your GPU, which is your, for example, if you have NVIDIA, make sure to use it because it will make the process really fast. Now, what you could do also is while you are rendering your video or clip. So, for example, if we go to export, make sure that you have selected the highest quality and the highest resolution possible and the frame rate as well. So after that, you will be able to get the highest or the most increased quality on your Filmora videos. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thanks for watching.